Guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be looking at this third gen Ram today again. I'm going to talk about the wheels and tires. This set, obviously on this truck, I have 2-inch spacers on these. These are the Vision wheels. These are 17s, and that's the same size as your stock wheels that came on this truck. This is a stock size wheels, stock size tires. So these are 265 70 17s. I have these set of 4th gen 20-inch wheels with 285 60 20s on them. These wheels are actually off of a 2017 or 18 Ram 2500. I like to see how they look on this truck. Obviously, tire is quite a bit bigger, a couple sizes bigger to be exact. You can see it's quite a bit taller than the other tire. So we'll bolt these up and see how they look on this truck. Also, we'll see how much taller the truck's going to sit. So if I measure from the ground here to the edge of the fender, it's about 40 inches. It's about 41 in the back. So there's quite a bit of a difference in size of the tire. 265 70 17 versus a 285 60 20. Obviously 20 inches, quite a bit bigger than the original 17 size. Here we have the 20s mounted up onto the truck now. Truck does sit about inch and a half taller with these 20s and the 285s. These are stock tires on the 4th gens. They don't look too bad. I kind of like them. These are with the I think 1.5 or 2-inch spacers. They don't stick out as far as the other aftermarket wheels I had on this. The truck rides beautiful with these. I love it. That's how I want this truck to be. So it can haul, plow, whatever I need to do with this. Not commercially plow, but at least residential, whatever I need to do for myself. A little better look at the wheels on this 3/4 ton. These are 20-inch from a 4th gen. I think they came out perfect. That's the look I was going for on this truck. I want this truck to ride nice, plow the camper, even plow when it's needed. These tires ride smooth, and I think they look just perfect. So I do have the 2-inch spacers on this. They sit just perfect how I wanted it. I still got to put the center caps on them, but I think they look good. Thank you for watching.